I think there are two parts to that. One is a very practical side, where we continue to work in the real world, working with making, with constructing, experimenting in quite a physical way as architectural and interior and design students. But the most important thing really is this idea of the desire of where we want to get to kind of try and get ourselves and our students to imagine this future which could be different. I think we need to inject a little bit of revolutionary sort of fever into students, which has been lost, but in relation to this idea of where we want to get to and what this desire would be for a more attractive future for all of us.
Well, I think in the next 5 years, academic research should focus on how to get the circularity ideas down the pyramid, so that everyone understands and just works with that thought, and that it's not just something that stays within the academy.
The key sort of gap at the minute is applied research. So there's lots of material out there on principles and approaches and what circular economy is. And we've got lots of great case studies at small scale. What we're missing is that leap from sort of the startup and the small scale up to sort of commercial application.
I think when you're looking at the advances that need to occur for this to be a truly impactful shift in industry, we need to have a lot of research being undertaken on bio-based materials, biotechnologies, and using biology as a force instead of technology.
For me, research should focus in the next coming 5 years to how to take care that circular economy becomes the dominant economy, and that it goes without saying, as it is the standard, the commodity, and it's really the easiest choice.
It's strange that the area of plastic waste, if you were to look at the UK universities, it's almost unrepresented there. You know, everyone's really excited about nanotech and they're excited about renewable energies and all these things, but there's been a complete lack of concentration on very good technical solutions, but joined up thinking with the other disciplines like behavior change, psychology, economics in particular. We need the economists to wake up and start collaborating on this, because without them, nothing will happen.